Hi friends and welcome to my channel. So today we are continue our series. So we want to today to make our project more pretty. So we want to add some buildings, probably some walls and trees or something to look better outside our road, because right now the only the exponent is the road, and also we want to in the far distance don't see how they spawn the road because they don't look professional. So we want to fix all this stuff to look more professional game. So before I start the tutorial, I want to say thank you so much for all your support because you keep this channel going. And with your support, I want to help small developers to create their game and create a small studio to create video game all together. So if we create the studio, we can provide you absolutely for free asset, animation, blueprint, and also my personal help full-time with absolutely for free. So if you want to support us to make this project happen, you need to go to my Ko-fi page. So if you go to my Ko-fi page, you can donate for just $1 or you can be a member if you want. If you're a member, depending on your subscription, you're gonna have exclusive stuff. For example, exclusive videos, access to the video before I publish, and also the project files from these tutorials. And if you're a member and you want to see all the stuff is already available for you, you only need to go to my YouTube channel, subscribe to my channel, and in the right top here corner, if you click here, you're gonna open a list with all the stuff is already available. So there's gonna be the last update. I update this list almost every day. This is a video game my wife made. If you want to check this out, this is free for everybody. It is gonna be the new videos added in the last update. And also they're gonna be here all the exclusive videos, all unpublished tutorial videos, and also unpublished game videos, and the project file if you want to download it. All they're gonna have this link so you can go easily go to the page where they have these videos, only if you are a member. So if you want to talk with me directly, you can go to my Discord channel. So if you need some advice, or maybe you have a request for a video, or you need help in your project, or the tutorial is not working for you, or something's wrong, you can talk with me directly in my Discord. For me, it's more easy to respond from the Discord to respond for the YouTube comments. So if you want to talk with me privately or sponsorship, you have to write me to my email. My email and the links from the Discord and Ko-fi is gonna be in the description of these videos. Remember that 100% of the money raised is gonna be for the creation of video game and for the YouTube channel. So thank you, and let's start the tutorial. So let's open Unreal. So we have this made in the last video, so we can pick up some points. Also we can pick up some health. Right now I'm full health, so we don't need it. So we can take damage from the balls and things like that. We can have this shield, so we can do nothing in this stuff. So that's really cool. We have almost everything on gameplay. We have to maybe add a few things, but right now we have the most difficult part, so that's gonna be really awesome. So we want to add those buildings in this size or something in this size too, so they don't look too empty. And also we don't want to see how they spawn this stuff from the background, so we want to add some things there. So let's do that first so we can avoid to see this stuff. So let's close this. So before they do that, I want to be a little more far away because right now I think it's too close. So to doing that, you only need to go to DP game mode, and here we create here and then 0, and here rock index. We can change this with whatever number I want. Say I want to set, for example, 20. So they're gonna spend 20 in the beginning, so that's gonna be really cool. So let's go save, go play, and now we can see a lot more far away. So almost we can fix already the issue the spawning, but still we can see there. So let's fix that. So let's close this, and we're gonna need something they call here exponential health fog. We already have it here, so that's really great. So let's gonna use this one. So let's open this, and also this one that affect in the game depend on that position. So let's go over there. So if you click twice, you're gonna go directly when the asset is. So let's go more up because I don't know where things stop over there. So we want to put that in there. So let's go this up because I don't remember 1.9 we have it there. So let's go all the way up there, a little bit up. So I think we are already close to there. Yes. So let's put this with the other stuff. So let's put it here, a little more down, like that. It's gonna be okay. They don't need to be perfect, but I'm gonna put it here. So now we have this already activated because if we disconnect, we don't have nothing. So we want to put more values in here. So in detail, we want to change a few things here. So we want to fog density, for example, if I put 1, they're gonna be the full value. You don't see nothing right now, but if we go play, you can see now it's already dark mist. So they're gonna be cool for some people, but for me maybe it's too much. So it's gonna be a little less, or we can leave it at 1. And we can change the start distance. So the start distance, it is the how far we want to show the fog. For example, if I put here 100, I press play. Now we have more space, but I want more. So let's do it, for example, 300. So let's go play. So now we can see more, but I want to still see more. So let's do it 1000. So let's do play. So now we can see a lot better. So probably I'm gonna leave it like that, or maybe more. So let's do it 5000. Let's try this. Yeah, they look a lot better. I don't know if you can notice, but they look really better. So you can see now spotty maybe a little bit. I don't know, they look like kinda. So let's reduce this a little bit. So let's put here 4000. Probably I passed away too much, so let's put 4000. So let's save everything and let's go play. So I think they're gonna be okay for this number. So this is one issue. So now it's fixed, so we can put whatever we want now. So now we want to add some stuff in this size, so they're gonna look a lot better. So to start to making a scene, so we have all the environment and things like that. We want to download also a few things. So you can use whatever you like, but I want to use one in the marketplace. It's absolutely for free. You can download whatever you like. So they're gonna be City of Brass environment. So it's really cool. So we can use this one for our project. I'm gonna look more like a medieval stuff. So they're gonna be really cool. So I want to use this. So you have to download. I download already. So we have this in our project already. So let's close this and let's create that one. So let's go to content and we have City of Brass in here. So we have everything we need. Only we're gonna need the message. So we're gonna do this. So first we want to add and go to our Ender Runner, go to blueprints, and we want to check our raw blueprint because we want to an viewport, sorry. So we want to, like, we are spawning like this way. So we want to add it in here, in the other one they're gonna be in here. So we want to have the same distance and this size to make this cool, and also we want to be randomly. So they're gonna be more like procedural stuff. So they're gonna be more whatever they want to be. So they're gonna be more random. So they're gonna be really cool. So for doing that, we're gonna need almost the same we're doing for the particle system and the object and things like that. So they're gonna need this stuff. So we have 3 of these, but 4 I don't really wanna need it. I'm gonna use 3, 2, 1, but I believe it's too many. So I want to delete, for example, 3. So let's delete 3, and also I want to delete the 2 probably. So we have only 1. Yes, I want to change this name to put here. I don't know. I'm gonna set out left. So so that way I know this outside to this road it's gonna be in the left. So now we want to do it in the right, so they're gonna be the 13. So let's move this. So we want to 13, 12, 11. So it's too many, so let's delete 11, let's delete 12. I wanna use 13. So this one I wanna call it saying out, but this time right. So outright, so we know the outside, the right side gonna be in this one. So now we have this. We want to create our main things to the one to create. So to use some kind of reference, so we want to use one of these. So let's copy this, and here line 1, let's copy it, let's compile and save. So we have this, go inside here. In here in our blueprint we want to create another folder, so let's create a new folder. We can call this I don't know, we can call it environment, maybe asset. I'm gonna call it assets because it's what really is. So let's open it. I'm gonna create my main one, so right click, gonna create a new blueprint class, gonna be actor. I'm gonna call this main asset blueprint. So let's do it like that, and let's open it. So, and also we want to paste it in here. So let's paste in here. So now we have this. So now we have the reference of the how is the long on this side. So we want to be in this side too. So let's check, or we can go more up. So let's do it this scale. So let's scale this using 2 blocks like that. So we can use this from reference. So yeah, I want to leave it like that. So let's compile and save. So let's test this out. So let's go with road blueprint. So we want to use our same like spawn the message. We need to change this name probably, but I want to be okay. So let's copy all this stuff. We want to create another function maybe. So let's create another one. Also let's change this name to, let's put pawn objects class. We can put that, but we're gonna say spawn objects. So we can duplicate this to be more fast and change the name object to assets. So we know this is the asset one. So let's open this. So we are in the asset one. So we want to check where we want to be. So they want to be a spawn object. They want to be yes if it's true, and we don't want to be random up here because we want to always spawn something. So let's delete this. So and also we want to delete this one. So let's connect this to this, and also we don't want to this one probably because we want to spawn exactly in the beginning. So let's delete this. So let's connect this to this because that one is for how to start making stuff in the beginning. So we don't want to probably these ones because we don't want to be a random stuff anymore. So let's go this and delete this stuff. And here we have this stuff. So we only gonna need 2 of these. So let's delete all these. Probably gonna be more faster to start over, but well, it's okay. So let's delete this and put this in here. So that's 2 of these. So also we want to delete this stuff. I'm gonna put a new one here, sequence. So I'm gonna be 2. 1 gonna be in here, 2 they're gonna be in here. Well, 0 and 1 gonna go that way. So we can probably reroute this a little bit. They look better, and we need to change this mesh. So let's go to mesh 4. We want to add in here out left first, for example. So we can put in stop so they change automatically, and also we want to add the mesh file, go to outright. So in here, this random, that's really cool, but we want to create a new class in here. So we're using here object class spawn, so we want to do it the same. So we're using this array actor. So let's do another variable, and let's change the boolean type for our main as a blueprint, I call it. Yes, so they're gonna be class reference. So, and we want to convert this again to array because we want to be a lot. We can make almost infinity how many things we want to add it. So that's really great. So let's do that, and here we want to call this asset class spawn. Wow, spawn. So we have this, and that's gonna be array actor with this. I put only actor in here. Yeah, we can do two. Well, we can change this to actor, so we can put almost. They're gonna be better. So let's do actor here. Actor. So just simple actor. Let's go reference. So that's better. So let's compile and save. But we are different. So if it's different here, we have already 5 things, 0 to 4. So in this one gonna be exactly 0. So that's better. So we want to be the same. So let's compile and save. And here we only have 1 right now. So let's add it, and they're gonna be our main as a blueprint. So it's only for test this is working. We can see it because it's too long the name. So let's compile and save. Let's go play to test it out. So now they don't work because I forgot to connect this spawn asset. So we need to go to the event graph, and here in the begin play, we want to, when they go over here, we want to spawn object and also a spawn asset. So let's go here, connect this to here, and that's it. So let's compile and save, and let's go play. So now we can see this mesh. So let's close this, go inside here, and we want to change this stuff because I forgot this. It's not my day today. So let's go to asset class spawn, and let's connect this to here because it's the same working, but we don't need the object class spawn. So let's delete this, go like this. Also let's delete this. It got the asset class spawn like this. I think now it's working. So compile, save. Let's go play, and now the spawning better. So we have a few issues. For example, we can right now jump over here. So we have 2 rows that really go for if you want to make more and more rows. So they're gonna be, that's the way you can make it this stuff, and also to make it up and down. So if you want, so we need to check to testing this. So maybe it's too far away. Let's put probably we want more for this side. Let's see. So let's go our roads, and also I'm checking they don't spawn this one. Let's check. So let's go play, and we don't spawn this side, but only this one. Let's move this stuff in the raw blueprint and viewport. We want to move the mesh out left. Let's put it more here. Probably let's put like 300, and the mesh not out right. Let's put this more far maybe. Let's compile and save. Let's go play. So now we can see we have here a little things. So we need to still fix it, this stuff. So let's move this more over there, and these ones left. Let's put more probably here exactly the middle. So let's compile and save. Let's go play, and still we need to go a little down. So that's gonna be like this. So let's compound, save, go play. Now we have the same, no it's not. So they're gonna be a little more up. So let's change this to 10. So this is 0, so probably 0 that we need to be. So let's play. Yeah, 0 is the number we want. Let's start again. So yeah, so the span better, and also maybe we want to be this in 0 too. Minus 10, 0. So let's compound, save, let's go play, and now it's better. So we have this row here. So let's do the other one. So they're gonna be outright. So probably it's better to just rotate this to 180 and move this to, whoops, let's see if you can put this 0 directly to see how they're looking. So let's compound, save, let's go play. We have in the top still, so let's go this way. Yeah, they don't work in the rotation because it's the other way. Well, it's okay. So let's compound, save, because the rotation is for the blueprint, not for the asset. That's why they don't work it. So we need a little less. So let's go like this. So we have 1730. So let's go to 1700. So let's do it. Play. Still a little more. 1670. Let's go play. More. So probably 30. Let's check. We almost got it. So let's go a little down. So the down I think is 0. So let's do 0. And this one gonna be 0. And this one I'm gonna put 0 too, because I don't know why I rotate this. So let's put this. What number we have? Probably like 1600. Let's try that. So compound, save. Let's go play. And now there's exactly the same. So we have this huge row, but we don't want to be a row. So we want to add a few stuff. So let's close this. So we have our first main answer, so we can use this from reference. So now let's add a few things in here, but not in this one. We want, because this is the main asset. So let's go to the main asset, right click, and create a new child blueprint class. So let's open it, and let's put this, I don't know, asset 1 blueprint. So let's open this, and we want to add stuff in here. So let's go to the map, let's go to Ender Runner, and let's go, no, Ender Runner content, go to City of Brass environment, and let's see the mesh. So let's see the ground first. Oh, that's really cool, but no, let's set. Yeah, we can use ground first. So let's check this stuff, how they look. Compound shades, that's nice. So we can use this ground probably, or stone brick. Let's use this ground sound. So let's find this, and let's paste this in our asset first. So in here, let's paste it here. So now we have something. So that's cool. So let's compound, save, and let's go to our row blueprint. Go to the span asset. In here in asset, we want to change the asset for the new one. Asset 1, sorry, I forgot the name. I'm very bad today. So compound, save, and let's go play. So now we have this. So now we have the outside. So we want to add whatever we want here. So that's really easy. So let's close this, and let's put, for example, let's create some walls, for example. So we want to add a new stuff. Let's create another static mesh. So I want to leave it like that, but I don't want to be this. I don't want to be outside I don't want to be a child from here. So and we want to add some assets. So let's close. Let's go here to find. So we are already in there. So let's find some walls. So let's do 30 walls. That really easy one. So let's see where we have here. So now I want it. So let's be corridor A. That is cool. So we can use whatever we want really. So let's see. I want to do only one. You can create a lot of this bunch if you want. So let's try this one. So let's paste in here. So now we have this. So this is the opposite direction. So we need to fix this. So let's rotate. And also remember, they have to have this size, because if it's not, they're not gonna work. So that's gonna better. Oh, they're gonna work, but they're gonna collapse meshes together. So you don't want to do that. So let's reduce this a little bit. So let's go to scale and reduce this. Whoops, reduce this a little bit. So let's move like that. Probably let's reduce a little bit. Whoops, too much. So let's change this. So let's go. Now I passed too much. So let's go like this, something like that, for example. So now we have these balls. So let's compile and save. So let's go play, and now automatically they spawn for us. So now you can see we have here a little problem, because in one side they start whatever I like and the other they don't. We can fix this to make another one of these, for example, and we can rotate it. So because right now they span this side and the other one, so we don't want to do that, and the other one they do this. So, or some people do the really more easy to do is to make both sides in the middle. So if I put this in here and duplicate this, so let's duplicate this asset, but I want to rotate this. So now we have these two sizes. So let's paste it and let's move both together. Oops. And some direction we want, probably in the middle. So we can compound, save, let's go play. And now we can see this stuff. So that's a good way to make this stuff more procedural, because we can use both sides in the same thing. So you can create almost everything you want. So that's gonna be the first asset. So you can create how much you like from this, and also you know how to add it. So if not, I want to show you another one for whatever. So let's close this one and let's go to, or we can use the same one. Let's find some more fast on here. We can duplicate these to don't make this again. So let's change 1 to 2, these two. Now I go to viewport, and the one we want to change for another one, or we can change this stuff or whatever you like. So let's find another corridor really fast. So I want, for example, to put this one. That's really cool. So let's use that one. So let's paste in here. So you notice that sometimes they don't work for this size, or maybe they do. So you need to play with that. So let's do this. Also in different sizes. So I want to still reduce this stuff. So let's reduce this a little bit, because you need to be in the same position to don't be overlapping. So let's do like this. not need to be perfect 100%. And also we can delete the other one, and we can duplicate the one so it's more fast, and we can rotate this, rotate this 180. So now we have both sides. So compile, save, put asset 2 in our row blueprint. I'm messing this. So in here we're gonna add another one. Remember, asset class font, but add new one, and here we want to use our asset 2. That is the way you add how many you would like. You can put here an infinity number. They're gonna work perfectly 100% fine. So let's compile and save, and let's go play. So now we have this more random generic stuff. So it's procedural, so you can put whatever you like and they're gonna work perfectly fine. Also, I noticed right now that probably the mesh is too close, so we can probably make another one or more strong, because if you can see, I can see still a spawning stuff right there. So let's close this, go really fast to our exponential head fog, and go pumping this number. So let's put, like, for example 10 here, so we're gonna be a really strong one. So I don't remember how much is the maximum number, because I don't remember, but there's a top number in here. You can go forward. So there's gonna be 10, so probably they don't look that great, but it's better. And also we want to be more far now, so let's try now 8,000. So let's try that one. So let's save and play. That's the game, how to do game development. Not always is fun. Sometimes you have to repeat this stuff all the time. So that's why some people quit making games, because it's not really that easy, or it's frustrated from some people. But now you know how to make this stuff, to also proceduralize stuff, so you can create almost any game to running really great. So that's really easy. So that's gonna be it for this video. So you can play with these values, you can create more assets, you can create more obstacle shifting, and also I can show you in the next video how to make better obstacle system and things like that from that package we have. And also I want to maybe a few more power-ups probably. So that's gonna be it for this video. So if you want to support us to make that small studio, so we can provide you with asset, animation, blueprint, and also my personal help full-time, absolutely for free. You only have to support us in our Ko-fi page. So like I said before, thank you for watching, and see you in the next video. So bye bye.